I'm Sherri Harrah with HomeShowGardenPros, and I'm joined here today with Frank Smith from Coast of Maine.
Thanks for having me.
You
Appreciate
bet.
it.
And Coast of Maine is amazing, and one thing that they're really known for is their lobster crab blend. It's kind of like what started it all.
Yep, that's the core ingredient for a lot of our products. So when somebody wants to buy a bag of the lobster compost, it is super high in calcium, super high in chitin, makes a healthier plant. And we all know the benefits of calcium specifically, but you also know the chitin.
And I love to use different composts to diversify my microbial activity in my soil. I find that diversity just makes your plants healthier and happier. This is a great thing to have in our toolbox to make our plants healthier.
Exactly.
And I'm seeing it firsthand on my tomato plants. I added this to the hole when I planted, and with the excess calcium and the chitin, I am not going to have root knot nematodes, and I won't have blossom end rot. So that's amazing. So for more great information like this, join us Saturday mornings from 7 to 9 on Home Show Garden Pros.